Progressive. What's up? My name is Jeannide, and I got what you need, baby. So today I will be talking specifically about the Squeem waist trainer. In my other video, I talked about that I also tee to lose weight, but I also waist train. So this one will be more so about the waist training. The month that I actually took this tee, I guess April, I was consistently really wearing my waist trainer. I started my waist training journey in either October or November of 2019. You know, people were saying, oh my god, you're starting to look nice, you know, because you know, before I was built like a refrigerator, I had no shape. Shout out to my girl. If anybody knows exactly who I'm talking about, you already know her body like boom 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 boom. I remember last year I kept thinking about waist training, but I didn't know what to get. Like, I didn't know which waist trainer to get, so I asked her and she told me about the waist trainer that she's been using for like years. So yeah, it was the Squeem. And it was funny how I got the first one, the medium one. It was funny because like I remember I was like, it was like the week that I was like ready to like purchase the waist trainer in the medium size, and I was asking my mom to like borrow one of her waist trainers because I knew that she had waist trainers too, so I could like practice to see how it feels in that particular waist trainer, so I could get ready for the new one that I was gonna like purchase and, you know, wear my own. I just wanted to borrow hers though for like certain occasions when I would go out in dresses that looked like I needed a waist trainer underneath my clothing. I would just ask my mom. So it was so funny. I didn't know that my mom already had a Squeem in medium. Oh my god, like she already had one, so I didn't even have to buy it anymore. I just went and bought the small for like future reference. So I guess around Black Friday, I bought it. You know, it's originally $60, but I bought it for like half off. It was like $30 when I bought it. I bought the small for future reference. So from November, about October, November to January or February, I was wearing the medium waist trainer. Then in February, I started to notice that my waist did get smaller on its own because of the waist trainer, but also the waist trainer was, I was like kind of in between sizes at that point because the waist trainer would like make me look a little wider than I needed to be. So when I would put it on, I did look wider. I did appear a little wider when I did wear it from February on. Sometime in April, I started wearing the small. So my mom had to help me though. Of course, I could not put it on myself. The thing is, I should have honestly started wearing the small earlier, like in February or even January, but I was so afraid that I would like break it or something, because I felt like, because I tried putting it on myself kind of, and it looked like it would not fit on me, but I really had to like have someone help me. So if you're in between sizes with the Squeem, just really get somebody to help you put it on. You're not gonna break it, you'll be fine, especially after you're done like moving around a bit. You'll be like uncomfortable, you'll feel uncomfortable the first time you wear it, but like the second time that you wear it, it's like it's gonna stretch out a bit, so you'll be fine. So now I'm fine. Like the first day that I started wearing the small, I was uncomfortable. Not too uncomfortable, but I was kind of uncomfortable. Oh my god, I was afraid to sit down. That's very true. I was afraid to sit down because it was like tight on me. Like I was able to breathe, but it was tight. So but now, you know, my body looking more snatched now because, you know, I've been waist training over the past few weeks. I haven't been consistent, but y'all, what is up? So I'm over here editing this video and I realized that I left out some very important information. So from November to I guess about February, well, until the Rona came, I wouldn't say I did this super consistently, but there were some weeks when I was very consistent with this waist trainer and I would wear it every day. I would wear it about at least 6 to 8 hours every day, Monday to Friday, while I was working. So yeah, so that's something important that I should have said. This waist trainer is not to wear, well, for me, I never wore it while I was working out at the gym. I did go to the gym about at least 2 times a week. I did go to the gym around that time. Obviously, when it came to me wearing the small waist trainer, I just started wearing the small waist trainer. I have been only wearing the small for about 5 to 6 hours during current quarantine because it is tight. I just put it on for a bit and I was like, child, When I wear it, it looks like I can't, you know, breathe in it. I don't know how I'm gonna go back outside with this small. I'm not even gonna hold you. I mean, eventually, I heard that this waist trainer, you know, it's, well, my body's going to adjust to it is what I'm saying. My body will adjust more to this small. So I will be fine, although right now it seems like I won't be fine, but because for the medium, I thought it wouldn't work for me either, but it ended up working in the end. So yeah, and I know I'm like losing weight. Like I saw when I wore a dress today and I was shocked at how much my stomach looks small without the waist trainer. So I should be fine, to be honest. Like I'll be fine. The main purpose for me to attain a waist trainer was, as I'm losing weight, I wanted my body to conform to a certain shape. It really does smooth me out in clothing and like when I'm wearing dresses. And when I had back fat, you know, it would hide my rolls, and also in a way it also would reduce the back fat at the same time. And what else? I think those were my main purposes of the waist trainer. And that's all I have to say about that. Yeah, so next clip. Oh, I need to be more consistent with these waist trainings, y'all. I need to be consistent. But yeah, that's honestly how I lost 15 pounds in about a month using the ISOT and the waist trainer. I might split this into 2 videos. Do a part 1 on the T, do a part 2 on the Squeem waist trainer. We'll see what happens. I hope that you like this information, learned something new today. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.